So this is the survey leveling book with several columns and several rows. So the first column we have the stations M, B to F. The second column we have changes from 0 to 150. Then the third column we have the backside readings. The other column it is intermediate side readings. The other one 4 side readings. The other one rise. The other one 4. Then we have that column of reduced levels, and finally we have the remarks column. So what happens whenever you enter your changes, that is from 0 to 150, you have to ensure that it have a consistent gap in between the two changes. So like this one, it's a constant change of 30. So after appropriately stationing your instrument other than time the lever, you now start recording your readings. So the first reading that you do records, it is the backside reading, and the last reading you do record before shifting your machine, it is the foresight reading. Now then, in between the backside reading and the foresight readings, any reading that you do records, it is the intermediate side reading. Then after the recording all those, you have to find the rise and falls. Now the process of finding the rise and fall, you do this, you take the backside readings like this one 1.90, you raise the proceeding reading, that is 2.10. So if you raise the 2, if it is a positive, you record it in the rise column. If it is a negative, what you do is you record it in the fall column. So for this it was negative 0.2. So what happened, we recorded it in the fall column since it was a negative. So for the next case, it is 2.10 minus 0.41. So if you raise the 2, it is a negative still. So you record it in the fall column. So for the next one, it is this minus this. So this is a positive. So if it is a positive, you record it in the rise column. The next, it is this minus this, which is a negative, positive still. So if it is a positive, rise column. This and this is a positive. Record it in the rise column. Now you are done. So you come to the, so that is all what happens in the field. So the others we do reduce in office. So in office, what we do, you have to first of all count this one 90.5. So this one 90.5, it is the benchmark readings. So by reducing levels, you have to take this one 80.50, the benchmark point. You now, if it was a negative, you raise, you get your reduced level of point in B. Then after that, you raise from this, since it was a negative, you get the reduced level of point C. Then you AND, since this was a positive, you get the reduced level of point D. Then you AND again, since it was a positive, you get the reduced level of point E. You AND again 0.15 to get the reduced level of point F. Now that you have all the reduced levels, you might now go back to site and now plot all these reduced level at these points. Now that you have marked them in site. Now after doing that, your ground will be fully leveled, and to check for your accuracy of your field work, you are expected to conduct this accuracy check, whereby the summation of the backside readings minus the summation of the foresight readings should be equal to summation of rise minus summation of fall, which is equal to the last reduced level reading minus the first reduced level reading. So it's them, I have written them here. We have the summation of backside readings, foresight readings, summation of rise, summation of fall. So as you can see, I just wrote them appropriately, and mine was 0.15 is equals to 0.15 is equals to 0.15. So that means my survey work was accurately done, and that is all what is entailed in that survey leveling book.